Hello and welcome to a game called Pager demo version. Let's see what this is all about. Okay, so we're in a corridor. Oh, welk. Okay. Welcome to your new job. We are glad to have you on board. Thank you, man. Thank you. So we're at we're at some kind of job. So follow the instructions carefully. Toggle your pager with Q. Press P to pause. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can check my pager with this. And hello, Cam. What are you looking at, you pervert? Okay. Well, is this my... Oh, type. I will do my best. Oh, of course. Oh. Hello, butterfly. Let me catch you, butterfly. Fuck you, butterfly. Okay, see you later. Okay. Anything else around? Maybe something. Oh, hi, butterfly. Oh, I can't touch you. Okay, that's nice. I can touch you though. Let's continue on. Please proceed to the next floor. Good luck. Thank you, man. You're awfully nice. Okay, let's go to the next floor then. Okay. Locked. I'm gonna check. Oh. Follow the corridor on the right. Oh, what happens if I follow the corridor on my left though? Okay. Let's go left. Oh shit. I think I'm gonna die now. Don't kill me, man. I am just curious. There is no such thing as failure, only opportunities for growth. So what? What did you do to me? Oh, we restarted. Okay. Let's go right then, man. Okay. You took the wrong path. Please follow the instructions. You're a son of a bitch, you know, that's right. There are cameras all over that wall. So I took the right path on the first time. I mean the left one, but the right path, you know what I mean. Proceed to the next floor. Please be more careful next time. It was your fault, not mine, man. I did the right choice in my first one. Please deliver a box to room 1. You must carry a box before entering any room. Okay, room 1. There is the room 1 and there's the room 2. I'm gonna do that again. Yep, I will give it to 2. Hello. Do you need a box too? Nope, there's nothing here. Okay, let's go to the 1. Hello. Anything? Any creatures that wanna bite my dick off? Maybe bite my face off, I don't know. Well then, continue to the next floor. Next floor was here. You have failed, please try again. Why, man? Because I opened the door to the room 2? Maybe. Let's try it again. Oh. Hey, butterfly. Well then. Let's go to the next floor. Okay. You have failed. Place tray again. Okay. I think I know what to do. I think. Please deliver a box to room 1. You must carry a box before entering any room. So I can't go there by holding a box. And I can't take back this box. So do I need another box or the same one? Like, I can't enter that. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay, that was catchy. I have ADHD, you know. I don't pay much attention to details like that. Hey. Okay. Hey, what? Take the coffee to the room at the end of the corridor. Okay. A staircase. Hello, man. How's it going, man? How's the job? You liking the job? Does it pay much? I just... Okay. Why are you not listening to me, man? How's your wife? How's your kids? Okay, see you later then. Rude man. Rude son of a bitch. Mobbing is at the next level in this place. Oh. I will queue for a great cup of joe. Okay, I will bring your coffee, man. You don't need to kill any. Oh. Where would I find the cup of joe, though? You know? And around, like me, like you, like we. And around, and oh, there's the room. Do I need a box? Nope, I don't. Okay. Hello, chair. Is this where they interview people like me? Maybe. Okay. There's a box, but no coffee. Checking the corners. Yep, there's nothing here, man. Let's continue on. This is going so good right now. But I don't know where to find a cup of joe. Oh. That's a little big, you know. But whatever. See you later, man. Fuck you, man. Son of a bitch. Rude son of a bitch. Okay. So what do I need to do? Room at the end of the corridor. Okay. I think this is it, maybe. Oh. It's just... Okay. That was great. Next floor. Thank you, man. See you later. I'm going to the next floor. You know, there's elevators, right? I think he just likes to take stairs, though. I think the elevator was right here. Yep. Let's go to the next floor. This is going swimmingly. Clocks. And the camera. And another one. And... Strange, there are no doors in this room. I will check the floor plan and get back to you, okay? You are doing a ritual around me with soda and coffee. Trash, man. You know, that's not how rituals work, you know that, right? Okay. I don't think he will be back to me, so we need to look around. Okay, that was fast. Ah, peaceful. I think these are the clouds, and I'm in a very high office building. Let me check that can I jump there? I don't know why I want that, but oh, maybe I don't want that at all. You know, there's something crazy going on here, man. Can I go inside? He said, wait for me though. Okay, whatever. I'm going. Oh, this floor was designed to test your patience, and you did not succeed. Expect appropriate penalties. Okay. You know, I don't need to be patient. I can just find a solution, you know. And that's a good thing for your company, I think. Okay. Here we are in a office, a small office. Hello, butterfly. And the box and the locker. Nothing interactable. Opening the door, and there's a road. Be sure to follow each movement instruction very carefully. Okay. Start running. How? I don't know. Faster. Okay, I'm trying, man. Jump 3 times. I can't jump though. What? Crouch. Okay, I can't crouch. Watch out for the car. Which one? The one that's coming for me, I think. Well, nothing happened. Your agility is quite poor, which is exactly what we anticipated. Please proceed. Okay. You know, this game doesn't have any of those buttons, you know? Okay. Why are you watching? You like what you see? Okay. Okay, some office blocks. Would you recommend this job to others? Of course, yes, man. Yes. Yes. Please rate your experience. 5 out of 5. I like butterflies. Yeah, I can tell. There's butterflies everywhere. Hi. Hello. Okay. Let's continue on. There's a colleague in the next room. He will guide you to the next floor. Okay, let's meet one of my colleagues. Hello, I'm new to the job. Oh. Next one. Hello, I'm new to this job. Where are you running? Man, I'm not that bad looking though. Maybe I am though, you know. Why are you running? Why are you running? What have I done to you, man? It's just somebody's getting messages, but not me. Well, he did guide me to the next floor, so thanks for that. Anyway, this one is easy. Find the box and take it to the next floor within 5 minutes. Okay. One more thing. When you encounter a man-made fish, adhere to a trajectory that is a precise antithesis of what the the vector indicated by the orientation and alignment of its positioning. The timer starts now. You have 5 minutes. I didn't understand any of what you were saying, man. So, oh, hello, fish. Man-made fish. I think that was. I don't know what that means, though. Hello, man-made fish. I'm looking for a box. And I need to get out of here in 5 minutes, you know. And this just seems to go forever, huh? Okay, let's turn back. Maybe. I'm looking at the fish for orientation, right? I can't see any fish. I can't see any bugs. Oh. Well, I'm a lucky one, I think. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. What is this fucking nightmare? Someone left their gun on the coffee table. You know what to do with it. Yeah, kill myself. I can't kill myself. Okay, I was just joking. I was just joking. I know what to do with it, you know. Now I have you sons of bitches. So, guys, you know that I just got this job and I'm... Oh, I can dispose of it. But really, do I need to dispose it, you know? I just got this job, guys. Okay. So, you know company policies, right? They don't have enough maybe money to support all of these beautiful people working here. So I just got this job, so maybe one of you, maybe 6 of you must retire early a bit, you know. Maybe not. Maybe all of you, I don't know. But I can't decide what to do right now. I can't decide. Maybe I should dispose of the gun, or I should just... Oh my god, what are you doing? We don't kill on this floor. On this floor, so we can kill on the other floors. Okay, just find the bin and get rid of it. Okay. You just took all of my fun. Please move on to the next floor. Okay, sorry guys. Sorry, I didn't mean it. It was just a joke. Okay, I didn't mean that. I was just practicing my theater moves, you know. Hi, I'm Bilge. I thank you for playing this far. Thank you for making this game. And I actually... What was that noise? I think that's nothing. This is the final floor of the demo. I hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy it. If you did, please add the game to your Steam wishlist. It will help me make the game bigger and better. I promise I will wishlist the game. Thank you. No problem, man. This is... and what the fuck? Okay, that's an interesting room. What is this? I will not enter one of the rooms in case the game decides to maybe... Oh. These are the floors that I've been, I think. And let's enter this room. Oh, jump. Oh, this is... It's a Flappy Bird on fucking Windows. Oh, I can't take it. Looking for more? Yes, I'm looking for more, man. But I can't find anything yet, maybe. Draw. Oh, I know what I must draw, you know. I know what I must draw. I will not draw that. And that's a face, I think. I don't know. Fuck you, man. Let's try to jump into the abyss. Okay. This is peaceful though. Okay. So that was the page app. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next one. Good night.